Is there a perfect trading strategy out there that can make you get rich quick? The answer is a definitive no. But here's the good news. I know a strategy that can make you wealthy over the long term. Not overnight, not next month, but it works. Hi everyone, I'm Csongor from Market Addict. Stay with me if you are hungry for real knowledge, not the garbage the gurus are selling you. I'm not saying you can be a profitable day trader who collects small profits every day and grows richer step by step. But let me be brutally honest with you. Your chances of succeeding at that in the long run are about 1 in 100. You will probably see in the statistic that 19% of people lose money in the market, and only 10% win. That statistic is true, but here's what no one tells day traders. In the long run, only 1 to 3% of them can remain profitable. And even they achieve it only after years of studying. So who makes up the remaining 7 to 9% of winners? Naturally, they are the patient investors who think long term. The same ratio applies to the 19% who lose. But in that group, traders are the overwhelming majority. I know, some of you have been struggling with day trading for years, determined to become profitable. But the success just hasn't arrived yet. You know what? If you had started investing back when you began learning day trading, you'd likely be much further ahead by now. While investing also requires fundamental knowledge. It's far simpler, both technically and mentally. And if you will try trading, you know that you and your own mind are your greatest enemies. In investing, you have to make decisions much less frequently. You spend far less time in the front of the charts. And therefore your current psychological state influences you much less often. Investing is plannable. There's less market noise, and as a result you can make better decisions. It's not too late to change your perspective. Instead of day trading and constant anxiety, you can choose a more relaxed path to financial stability. Investing. I know those of you who are just getting started with the world of stock market might not want to believe me. Figures in Dubai with Lamborghinis advertising 10 to 20x to the moon meme coins and trading bots that supposedly print money for you automatically are much more attractive. Of course, you just have to buy them first. Naturally, these gurus mostly live off of you, not from the stock market or trading. I've been through that phase too. I've lost money on shitcoins, I've day traded, I've had profitable periods. But mental weakness eventually shows up and takes away your profit faster than you think. That's when I began to understand that the I want it now mentality is not a viable path if I want to live a financially and psychologically calm and stable life. Except that there is no such thing as free money or a shortcut. Wealth without work is just an illusion. Your biggest enemy is a bad attitude. You see the guys with the Lambos and you jump it without any knowledge. FOMO, the fear of missing out. This is true both for the flashy lifestyle and for the prices soaring without you. So slow down. Accept that, in best case scenario, life is long enough to get wealthy during your younger years, without the stress. And I'm going to help you with that. In the next episode, I talk about financial foundations that are essential before mastering practical knowledge. Subscribe if you want to walk on the path of the wealth.